I made some changes to my little workshop. So I put on this little wall with all the stuff I need. That's a project I finished. And yeah, this is all I'm using. My squares, combination, speed square, little normal square, my tape measure, jigsaw blades, and that's the only clamps I own. Blades, glue, my little workbench. There's my little gas burner to give the wood a burning effect, and there's a very untidy workbench still. I'm still sorting that one out. I've got the little shelf here on the bottom. There is my tools, a jigsaw and 2 sanders. Down there is a toolbox, a router and my fishing stuff. There is my pallet tool. That is a bunch of junk wood. I'm not going to use those. And there is finished projects that still needs finishing, and scrap wood and gardening tools. This one, I don't know what we call it, but it's very untidy. There's my sandpapers and all my paints, and there is my stockpile. This is all my pallet wood. I took it apart, so I just need another space for my little miter saw, my little hobby miter saw, but I think I'm going to use it there. So when I open the garage door, all the dust can go out. I think it might work unless the wind blows. And then the wind is going to come straight inside. All the dust is going to come straight inside.